right. Gotta get out to the chickens. Oh, I was gonna put my pants on again. And I forgot. I'll be soaked. Okay, to my knees. 2 feet or more to my thigh. At least 3 feet has fallen in the last 24 hours. At least I'll know where Thorn is. I can see where he's been. And he's a black dog in the white snow. Get my exercise. That's for sure. There he is. The black spot in the white snow. We definitely got a lot of snow. But the sun's out now. And the snow has stopped, but we still got quite a bit of wind. So we'll still probably get some drifting over. And it's supposed to calm down by this afternoon, so fun times in northwestern Ontario. The trails we made this morning are already blown over. I can't get into the sea can. I got my snowshoes on, but this is literally up to my, I would say, waist. Here we go. Thorn's got to make a new trail. This is all blown in. Absolutely no trail at all. You can still see a trail down there, but this is all blown in. No trail at all.
ride disco, superstar disco. We can ride looking like a superfly disco. You can ride disco, we can fly disco. You can ride looking like a superfly disco. We can ride disco, superstar disco. We can ride looking like a superfly disco. We can ride disco, superstar disco. We can ride looking like a superfly disco. And you can ride disco, but we can fly disco. And you can ride looking like a superfly disco. We can ride disco, superstar disco. We can ride looking like a superfly disco. And you can ride disco, but we can fly disco. And you
the trail to get the sled in. Clarence has been doing a lot of skidding, but it sure is better than having to shovel by hand, that's for sure. Thankfully, this spot's not as bad as that wood pile was. This is definitely wetter snow though. Morning, come here, bud. Good morning. Woo! She's a cold one this morning. My hair is frozen just from my exhalation. Isn't that crazy? Look at that. Frozen. From my exhalation. Wow. First day of spring. And it's negative 28. Might as well say negative 30. The wind chill's unbelievably cold. Oh, my poor pup. Here, I'm gonna have to help his paw here. Okay, we gotta get you back in. You're gonna get frostbite. Let's go. Can you go? Beautiful sunshine though. Look at the sunrise. Okay. Cleaned up after the storm. Rod and I went out Sunday and worked our butts off, and we got everything cleaned up. Thankfully, we were able to use the tractor. Yeah, the snowblower still out of commission, unfortunately, but nothing a couple Garant shovels didn't help us out with. And a little grunt work. I'd say a lot of grunt work, but good for you. Oh, Charlie's doing a job there, right in front of me. Up Lost Thorn, he's ran up ahead. It is very cold. I think I already said that. Go ahead, bud. Go ahead. Okay. He's jumping. My nose is about to fall off. Whew. It's probably running or has boogers in it, because that's what happens when you're in this kind of cold. But I gotta find Thorn. Oh, there he is. Okay, boys, let's go inside. Dad's got food ready for you. Okay, Charlie, come on. Come on, bud. We'll have to revisit this conversation because it's too cold. Come on, boys. In we go. In we go. So this is spring in northwestern Ontario. Yep. Today is Wednesday, the 22nd. Yep. They call this an early spring snow. Yep. Look at that. Yeah. I guess we'll have more snow to shovel. Hey, my snowy boy. Let's go find your brother. Let's go. Oh, you got snowballs already? You got snowballs already? He gets snowballs in his paws. Okay, I'm gonna slide past you. I'm gonna slide past you. Go find that brother of yours. There he is. He's easy to spot since he's black. Thankfully. There he is. Hi, buddy. Are you coming? You want to go by me? He just plops down. Plop. I gotta clean my paws. Dad's got food. Let's go get the food. Let's go get breakfast, bud. Come on. Let's go. we got quite a bit of heavy snow. This was all caved in last night when I came to put the chickens in. Just let the chickens out, gave them a bit of a treat there with some cabbage. So we got this all cleaned off. You can see how high the bank is there. And then we had to clean off this. The snow's just way too heavy and it can cave everything in. So we had to get that cleaned off as well. Just so much heavy snow. So making sure we get stuff like this cleaned off. We didn't do the lean-to over there. Even the dog house that he doesn't even use, but you can see how much snow accumulated. I dug this out and more even fell off during the evening. We can hear it inside. So thankful for a metal roof that's slanted. Slides right off as soon as the temperatures get warmer. There's quite a chill to the air. A little bit of snow today too, but like this is just the amount. This is the amount of snow. There was nothing on the roof. But you can see the accumulation here. How big this snow pile is from falling off the roof. Today is Thursday, March 23rd. We just want to wish our little granddaughter Naomi a happy 2nd birthday today. We still have yet to have the pleasure to meet her in person, but happy birthday from Papa and Gigi, Naomi. We hope you have a really fabulous day and that it's warmer where you are than where we are. Well, they're calling for more warm weather, so a lot of this snow is going to melt. I'm just hoping that it doesn't melt too quickly and we end up with a lot of flooding and big messes. We had that happen last year with a lot of flooding, and it was very unpleasant for travelers and people dealing with all that. So hopefully we still get the cold temps at night to combat the warm temps during the day. So, but I guess we'll see. We had a good friend stop by this week. We met him in Nipigon and had coffee, and haven't seen him for a year. He was also dropped in last year. I haven't seen him for 2 years. Rod saw him last year when he came up, and it was just really nice to see a familiar face from back home. And so if any of you others want to stop in, let us know. We've had a couple of travelers who have stopped in, and it's just been really nice to have people stop in and see us and visit us. And you know, even if we can stop and meet for a coffee or something. And again, I will remind you, if you have not been up here, it is just like it's a different province, you guys. And if you don't like the winter, that's fine. So come and visit us when the weather's nice and we can go hiking and see all the sights up here, because you are missing out. And put it on your bucket list. Lake Superior is gorgeous, and so are all the places around it. So I'm telling you, life is too short. You need to come here and take any adventure that you can.